Hey guys, this is Kyle with Total Roofing. I've been here for just over 2 months. My business card says I'm the digital media creator. So what does the day in the life of a digital media creator at TRC look like? I'll show you. My job can be anything from at the office editing videos, or like today I'm out here with Justin on this job site where we're putting a coating on this dome here. We're getting video explaining what's going on the job site and giving clarity to potential customers or customers that we currently have about how these things work, what we're working on, and the value we bring to each customer. What's my favorite part about working at TRC? My favorite part about working here is the genuine desire to put out quality work for each and every customer every single time. And it helps me put out the word that TRC is where it's at. What am I excited about for the future at TRC? I'm excited to see more people learn how awesome TRC is and see why they should use them for any of their home projects. What is a workplace achievement that I'm proud of? It's definitely getting all these awesome guys on camera to help better educate customers. What's something I love to do outside of work? I love playing disc golf. I'm not by any means the best at it, but it's something I love to do. Get my mind off of things, get in nature. It's like hiking with a purpose, kind of. One thing people might not know about me is that I'm very passionate about playing guitar. I started playing and learning this year, and almost every lunch break that I get a chance, I live about 5 minutes from the office, so I head home for my lunch break and I practice guitar and then head back to the office. Closing thoughts are, TRC and the people here have been a bright light in my life, and I think there's a lot of customers who feel the same way. So I can't recommend Team Total enough.